Hi, teaching classmates. This is Heiderman, and today I am going to explain the difference between the sound and e, e and e, right? So, to start with the explanation, let's choose the word bin. Look at me, look at my mouth, my face, the movement that I am doing. Bin, bin. Yep, we pronunciate the the pin, like pushing out a little of air. Pin. My tongue is in the back side of my teeth. Pin, pin. And the difference with e, let's go with bin, is, well, look at me. Bin, bin. In my face, I make like an smile, or, well, I like smile. It's like I was smiling. Bean. This is because with bean, the sound e is a little long than the e, which is short, and for that we said bean, bean. The first one, bean. The first one is bean, bean. Normal, pushing on the air, bean, bean. It's short. The in, bean, bean, like smiling. Let's go to the second one. Ship. Well, chip. Just chip, chip. The sound e is always like pushing out the air, like eh, como, like, sorry for that. Yep, like pushing out the air. Our tongue always going to be in the backside of our teeth. Chip, chip. The second one, sheep, sheep. Always like smiling. And the third one is fit, fit, just fit, yep, fit, no more. And the contrary, with the e, we say fit. We said fit. Looks like the same, but no. The difference is, it's a lot, and it depends also about the topic in which we're talking about. Yeah, because, for example, notice, talking about healthy, no, notice the same say fit than fit. Yeah. So, all right, teacher, this was everything for today. This was explanation the difference between the sound e and e. Thank you.